Today, we're talking about a huge shift in security, moving from dead documents to living, executable code.
You know that feeling, right? A security report feels broken the second it's published.
So why do these old-school reports always fail? Turns out, they all share one fundamental flaw.
We tried everything, Word docs, Excel sheets, you name it, but every single format missed the why.
See, the real problem was never the format. It was the whole mindset behind the report itself.
Think about it like this. A report has been like a single diagnosis, not a full medical record.
What we really need is that living history, so the next person isn't starting from scratch every time.
And that brings us to the big idea, security testing as code. Think version-controlled living projects.
Instead of just saying something is broken, we provide code that proves it. That's the key.
Take this XSS example. A vague sentence gets replaced by a fuzzer that actually finds the bug. Or this one, an entire test environment in a single command. Now that's reproducible proof.
So the whole audit becomes a Git project, with code, raw evidence, and a clear handoff plan.
So is this just some niche idea? Nope, it's part of a huge, industry-wide movement. You can see the trend over the last decade, a clear move away from static documents toward code. And it's not just theoretical. Google, GitHub, the big players are all embracing this philosophy.
So a modern evidence bundle is a full package. Automation, results, and reproducibility baked right in. And what's pouring fuel on this fire? You guessed it, artificial intelligence.
But we're not talking about using AI to write prettier reports. It's about structuring actual knowledge.
AI can now turn an expert's thoughts directly into test cases and POC code. It's a game changer.
Okay, let's bring it all home. What's the big takeaway from all this?
It really boils down to this: evidence over claims, projects over documents, and code over text.
Because at the end of the day, documents get forgotten, but code gets executed, and it lives on.